All right. Okay, so thank you, Prerit. Thank you for joining and offering your support in this testimonial, video testimonial, and congratulations on getting admissions to University College Dublin. So there are a
Thank
couple
you,
of
sir.
questions that I wanted to ask. So why did you choose Ireland over all the other countries?
So, Ireland, being an English country and one of the growing economies, offers multiple opportunities to the international students through internships and full time opportunities, in addition to offering access to opportunities in the European market.
Great. So yeah, I think that was a pretty good decision to choose Ireland. So UCD being one of the top institutions we all know. So what was the reason how you ended up deciding on UCD over any other university in Ireland then?
UCD is number one ranked university in Ireland for business programs. Also, the university is situated in the heart of Ireland where all the companies have their offices. This will not only help me to gain insight into the roles and opportunities, but will allow me to network with like minded individuals, hereby helping me to achieve my career goals.
Great. So yeah, it makes complete sense to choose UCD. I mean, we do all understand that Dublin is the major city in Ireland. How about why you chose scholarship advisors amongst all the consultants?
So, with the help of scholarship advisor, I was offered unbiased counseling when it was when it came to advising on the colleges, which helped me to arrive at the right decision of choosing a top university like UCT.
Thank you, and thank you for choosing us. And just wanted to have your thoughts around your experience with scholarship advisor in terms of your journey of college counseling.
Working with scholarship advisor has been truly incredible. The team has been extremely supportive, and there was always someone to text or talk to me. And I really thankful for personalized support. Would recommend students to reach out to SA for their student admission process. Thank you.
Great. Thank you, Prerit. Thank you